How to fix and solve Truecaller app something went wrong. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, go ahead and open up your settings application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, simply scroll below and then tap on General. Now once you are inside General, simply tap on iPhone storage. Now once you are inside iPhone storage, search for Truecaller app and then tap onto it. Now once you do that, simply tap on Offload app and then tap on Offload app again. Offloading the application will help you to free up the storage used by the app and will also help you to clear the cache. Now once you do that, simply make sure to reinstall the application again. Now once done, head back to your home screen and then open up your app store. Once you open it up in the search bar, search for Truecaller. And once you search for it in the blue button, if it says update instead of open, simply tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Now once it is updated, head back to your home screen and then see if the issue has been fixed or not. If not, simply restart the app and device. So go ahead and close the Truecaller app and then reopen it again. If the error persists, simply try restarting your device to clear any temporary glitches. And with that, your problem will be fixed. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.